Hello and welcome to Mountain Patriot Homestead. Today I'm in the kitchen and we're going to be baking up a cobbler. Now this cobbler is perfect for any time of the year, whether it's in the snowy season that we're in right now or even the middle of summer, because it's going to be bringing that fresh, tart, sweet flavor of lemon to the table. And this is kind of a backwards, upside down kind of dessert because you actually put it together the opposite of the way I would normally make a cobbler. And the only way that I can explain it is to show you. So let's get started. In a 9 by 9 inch square baking dish, melt a half a cup of butter. In a medium mixing bowl, you're going to put in 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and to that you'll add 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and you'll whisk that together just to get it mixed up good. And I forgot to show putting the buttermilk in there, but you're going to use 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of lemon extract. Mix all of this together because this is going to be the batter for your cobbler. And pour that batter right over that melted butter. Do not stir it though, just pour it directly over that melted butter. Then on top of your batter, you're going to put 21 ounces of lemon pie filling. You just spoon it in there and just kind of, place it around. Don't stir this though, just right on top of this batter. And this is kind of the magic part because it looks like we're doing this backwards of what we'd normally do a cobbler, but trust the process. Just put your pie filling directly on top of the batter and leave it alone. This is a lot like that water pie recipe where I kept saying don't stir, don't stir. This is the same way. It's so tempting, but don't stir it. Just get it in there. And once you get all of this pie filling on there, you're going to be baking this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 to 55 minutes. I think I went closer to the 55 just because I wanted the crispy edges. And once it is done, oh my goodness, it smells good, it looks beautiful, and it tastes even better. And just like that, we have our backwards, upside down lemon cobbler, whatever you want to call it. I've heard it called magic lemon cobbler or magic cobbler because you wouldn't actually just make lemon out of this if you wanted to. You could use other pie fillings. Now you don't have to actually use a canned pie filling if you didn't want to. You could use a lemon curd. You could make your own, or you could substitute some other fruit filling. Whatever your heart desires, it's your kitchen, your rules. But this is what I've been wanting. I've been wanting some lemon. I'm really not a huge lemon fan, but when it gets kind of the dead of winter, I don't know if lemon just reminds me of summer or what. But anyway, that's it. That's the outcome. And you saw me getting that corner piece. I love the corner pieces of whether it's a cobbler, whether it's brownies. I even like the little crunchy edges around cornbread. So that's why you saw me digging out that corner piece. So let's just give it a try and see how it turned out. If you like lemon pie, if you like lemon anything, I think you're going to like this, because that creamy filling is in there. You've got a chewy texture with the batter, with the dough that's in there. You've got the crunchy bits from around the edges. If you get that part of it, you know, it's a very lovely dish for no matter what kind of day you're having. So if you give this a try, please let me know down in the comments below. Please help support this channel by liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting, hyping, whatever you can do to help this channel out. I appreciate it. But most of all, keep coming back and know that I love you, and I hope to see you again real soon. Love you. Mountain Patriot Homestead, signing out.